Okay, so here we are reviewing the Tesla stock. So as you can see, this is the weekly time frame. So from here you can see in this zone it was continuously consolidating since 2014 to 19, and one sudden breakout happened here. It did a retest and then it shot up like anything. So as you can see, after that Tesla is sorry. Yeah. So after that, you can see on weekly there is some head and shoulder like top. Uh, this is the left shoulder. This is the head, and this is the right shoulder. After that, it broken down, did a retest, then came came little bit downwards. But here there is a breakout failure on the weekly time frame. So if you think about the Tesla in long term, it can go up, and our next target could be this swing point. So we can expect the next price action like this on weekly time frame. It may take few months or maybe a year to reach here because it's a weekly chart. Okay, so it is a classic breakout failure scenario. So after that, we will shift to daily time frame. Analysis will remain very similar. As you can see here, we can draw one support zone. Like this is the zone. This was first a demand zone, then it retested and turned into a supply zone. So change of polarity principle applies here. Then this is the classic breakout failure, as you can see. So if you zoom out, or you can or you zoom in a daily time frame, you can see it is a inverted head and shoulders reversal. So you can clearly see when this demand zone turned into a supply zone, it got tested multiple times and then it broke out. So this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. So this is the head and shoulders breakout on the inverted head and shoulders breakout on the daily time frame. So our immediate target on daily would be this swing point. So we can expect something like this. It might come and retest, and then it can move above this swing point. So this could act as a supply zone because price did some double top here and then it fell down. And another possibility is also there that from here the breakout might fail and it can travel down again. But this is on the daily time frame, so both possibilities are there. Okay. So now we will move to the hourly time frame. See, the zones will not change on any time frames. Means this will remain as a primary zone because price reacted here for multiple times. So as you can see, the analysis is very similar on the hourly time frame. Only thing is this is a parabolic breakout. Means for ideal breakout to sustain, there should be some kind of breakout build-up. Like if price had consolidated here and then it would have shot up, then the trust on the breakout would be more. But it's okay, it has shot up parabolically without any build-up. So there are equal chances of breakout failure. Okay. So now we will shift to the shorter time frames. Like 15 minutes, you can see. Just a second, let me draw the zone again. Because this key zone will remain here. Okay. So on the daily time frame, you can again see here, we can draw one trend line here. So this can act as a resistance now, at least for short term. So on 15 minutes, you can see there is a uptrend. You can clearly see the classic higher highs and higher lows. So this is a sign of classic strong uptrend. See higher high, higher low, impulse pullback, impulse pullback, impulse. So so it will be a foolish decision to short in this uptrend, because on hourly and 15 minute both the time frame is on the both time frames the trend is up. Okay, so now we will shift to 5 minute time frame. So as you can see here, on 5 minute, this gap is here, but it is not filled yet. We cannot say it is filled exactly. Just a second, let me draw that zone again. Yeah, so this is our primary zone. Okay, so our next target will be this swing high. This swing high is important. Yeah, so now we will shift for 3 minutes. So here you can clearly see this is some kind of wedge pattern. This is some bullish wedge, whatever you can call it, triangle or wedge. The name doesn't matter. The the fundamental principle behind the pattern matters, which is in the uptrend. This was a pullback, then breakout, then the uptrend continued. So as you can see, this was a very steep uptrend without any pullback. So this is clearly another some short pullback. Again, you can call it a flag or bull flag. Then it did a breakout. Yeah, this was the breakout of the bull flag. You can clearly see breakout, retest, then trend continue. Again, impulse retracement. The pattern is continued. So on the 3 minute time frame, this is clearly bullish. So there is no need to short this stock. So as we can see, Tesla is clearly in the uptrend. So we can hope it continues till the next resistance. But you can see here that there is acceleration in price. Means if you can see, the pullbacks are getting shorter and shorter here, and the impulses are getting longer and longer. Means the strength of the trend is increasing. So this is another thing. So for scalping, if you can see, if we can go on 1 minute, and if you can see, the only thing you can do in scalping now, you can simply buy the breakouts on the swing highs. As you can see here, these are the swing highs. High, breakout, retest, continuation, retest, continuation. Similarly, when the stock will break this, after this breakout, this swing, you can wait for a retest and you can buy. Your stop loss will be below this swing point. Means if the candle is formed like this, just a second. If the breakout candle forms something like this, then after that you can expect a retest and then continuation. And your stop loss will be below this candle for scalping purpose. So this is the whole analysis of Tesla from the weekly to the 1 minute time frame. Thank you.